Speed, amphetamine got my stomach feeling sickly. I want it all now.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing hair and makeup. So grab something to eat, join me, let's do it together, or just watch, get some inspiration, and let's start. So basically all you're going to be needing for this hairstyle is a comb, a tail comb, your eco styling gel or whatever gel you use that you're comfortable with, and lastly a colored rubber. I've always wanted to do this hairstyle, so let's hope it comes out nice. And I know you all have seen this rubber, so you already know the hairstyle I'm going to do or whatever, but let's just get into it. So guys, after you've patted the ones you want to use, all you have to do is just start patting and tying it with rubber, like how I'm going to do now. Guys, this is it, 1-1. So I've done this side, just pat a hair, bring it out, use a rubber and tie it. That's basically what it's all about. So you have to divide here into 2 and then just make here 8, make here 8. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side and I'll be back. Just like this. So basically, once again, you take 4 of the hair, like so, then you make the multiply sign, you bring this one to another one, to the one behind, to make multiply sign, and you tie it. And then you take this one and you sweep it to the other side, or you lay it to the other side. You twist your hair kind of so that it's smooth, and then you lay it to the other side, and then you tie both of them together. Like so. So guys, that's what I will do for the remaining of my hair, and I'll be back.
So guys, after you've done the basic part of your hair, all you have to do is add your extension. You can use any extension you want, but for me, I chose this particular extension because it's the only extension I have that is available and I haven't turned into a wig. So basically you can use any extension.
So guys, this is my finished look. I don't really know what's going on with the hair, but I'm just going to leave it like this. So let's get into the face. Okay, so I'm just going to do my edges now, and then we get into the face. I like it, but nah, it's not perfect, but we're wearing it like this no matter what. I'm wearing it for a week like this. I'm going to be using the Juvias palette and my Blossom palette. So as usual, I'm going to prep my eyes first with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in pure beige.
Into my Holy Grail palette, that's the Juvia's Zulu palette. I'm taking that orange shade and I'm sweeping it across my crease. Also going back in with the yellow shade from the Juvia's palette, and I'm going to use that as my transition color above the orange color, and I'm just going to blend it all together. Taking this particular shade from the Blossom palette, I'm going to use that to blend all the eyeshadow in the crease together. and my brush is from BH Cosmetics, the 7-piece eye brush set, I think. So using the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer, like the LA Girl Pro concealer, I'm going to use that shade in Natural to cut my crease. In that gold shade again from the Juvias Place palette and an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use gold eyeshadow to define my crease, preparing it for some glitter. So now I'm adding glitter on it. This is a loose glitter, so I had to use a glitter glue and a glitter, and I'm just putting them together. So guys, for my face, I'm sorry I couldn't film the whole look because I lost my clip. I don't know how that happened, but for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline foundation, which I've been loving recently, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation for my face. And for my concealer, I'm just using the LA Girl Pro concealer for my face. I'm just doing a mini tutorial. This video is actually mainly for the hair, but I just decided to add my makeup tutorial in here just for those of you who like my makeup tutorial. So taking the Black Opal Beauty foundation stick in Caro, I'm going to use that to contour my face. Ignore me, I was jamming to some jam. So I'm using that to contour my face, and I'm just going to blend. So now we're setting our face with Milani pressed powder. I don't know, Savannah Silver hooked me up with this routine. I don't know how it works, but I'm first setting my face with a pressed powder, and then I go in with my setting powder, Maybelline setting powder, and then I set my whole face. Using the CoverGirl bronzer, I'm going to use that to set my contour. And I said Savannah Silver in the beginning. Savannah Silver is a YouTuber. Y'all should check her out. You would love her, and her personality is amazing. And so guys, this is the finished look, the final look. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.